Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Madal Torres Cabcaban. I am 29 years old, single. I don't have any children. I graduated Bachelor of Science in major in Human Resource Development Management. I only have one sister and I don't have any brother.
Okay, please tell me about your working experience as a housemaid.
I work here as a domestic helper in the Philippines 4 years, and I do take good care of a child. He's 3 years old, and I do the household works also in their house.
So only one employer, right?
Yes, sir.
So what are those household chores you do in the house of your employer?
I do cooking, wash clothes, ironing, and always go to the market.
You also do all the cleaning in the area of the houses?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If ever in Hong Kong you will taking care of a newborn baby, are you willing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the newborn baby is crying, what will you do?
If the baby is crying, I will check its diaper. If it's wet, I will change it. And if it doesn't stop crying, I will sing a song to him or her and feed him. And lastly, I will check its temperature.
Okay, very good. Do you know how to take a bath with the baby?
Yes, sir.
What do you need to prepare?
I need to prepare lukewarm water, soap, and a towel.
What do you need to be careful during taking a bath of the baby?
I need to be careful in its mouth, eyes, ears, so the water will spill in its part.
Okay. So if the baby or children is naughty, do you have a long patience for them?
Yes, sir.
So how can you find to catch their attention?
I will.
Do you know how to read them book stories?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And I will.
Do you have some nursery song for them?
Yes, sir.
Can you sing now?
It's called Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
Okay, sing now.
Twinkle twinkle little stars, how I wonder what you are. Like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle twinkle.
Okay, thank you. Are you scared dogs and cats?
No, sir.
If ever the baby or children is sick in Hong Kong, what will you do?
If the baby or the child is sick, I will check its temperature and I will put a cold fever. And if it doesn't cool down, I will tell the parents to bring the children to the hospital so it can get checked up.
Okay. Do you have any allergy?
No, sir.
So do you eat everything right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If ever the employer will not do your holiday but will pay you, are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Can you access take out the elder person in the house if ever there is an elder person?
Yes, sir.
Can you do car washing without extra pay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
To my future employer, please do hire me because I am helpful. I am cheerful person. I will always listen and listen to your instructions.
And you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, sir.
Okay, why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I want to come to Hong Kong because I want to help your family.
If ever you're a first timer, right? So
Yes, sir.
how can you avoid homesick?
For me to avoid homesick, sir, I have to focus on my work and I will feed my employers, my family as well, and to remind myself that I am here for my family.
Okay, thank you. See you in Hong Kong.
Thank you, sir.